Ayusin ko ang aking slide. Teka lang. Ate Lisa, pa stop share. Thank you. Wait lang po. Alam po good morning again. Sa lahat ng mga guests natin. Ayan, lang po. Okay na po? Okay na, Coach?
Yes, okay
Coach?
na.
Okay. Thank you. And ayan, good morning again. Sorry po, medyo natagalan. Good morning everyone. I'm Coach Nida Maranon po from Cabuyao, Laguna, 50 years old. Mom of two. I've been using the products po, our healthy breakfast, aloe tea and shake for 11 years na po. And initially, ginamit ko po siya for my weight loss. And I have lost 20 pounds and 4 inches around my waist. Mas naging energetic po ako, nawala po yung mga discomforts. Ngayon, ginagamit ko na po siya for my healthy aging. My top Herbalife supplements na di po pwedeng mawala talaga ay ang vitamins and minerals, yung NRG natin for mental alertness, probiotic and Herbalife line po. And yung bagong-bago po natin ngayon na Immulift kasi talagang palakasan po ng immune system ngayon at tag-ulan na. So, ang background ko nga po pala before Herbalife, I'm a part-time realtor na may mga side hustle pang iba, a full-time housewife. Okay naman po yung income, ang nakafocus kasi ako sa mga bata talaga. Ang hindi ko lang po gusto talaga before, I used to have a very unhealthy lifestyle. Very limited po yung alam ko about nutrition. For energy po ako. Negative, hindi po ako masyadong friendly and palabate. Parang contented na ako sa mga friends ko. So, I'm blessed kasi natagpuan ko po ang Herbalife. Ang Herbalife, naging solution ko po siya. I have learned proper nutrition. Mas naging healthy po ako and energetic. Naging friendly na po ako and very positive. Kasi being a member in Herbalife, marami po tayong mga trainings, and part po ng trainings natin is yung ating personality development training, no? So, talagang naging mas confident po ako, mas naging mabuti po akong tao. And higit po sa lahat, mas napaganda po yung relationship ko kay Lord. So, here in Herbalife po, hindi lang po yung physical yung nababago sa atin, no? Also yung emotional natin, mental and spiritual. And ngayon po, very excited po ako about my future in Herbalife kasi I will have a chance po talaga. So, lahat po ng mga nag-Herbalife and may mga healthy, active lifestyle. So, hindi na po tayo takot tumanda. And looking forward po ako sa mga masyasharan ko pa po about Herbalife for them to experience what we are experiencing right now, for them to have a happier and healthier life. So, so much of me po. So, let's proceed po. So, again, hello po sa ating mga guests dyan. And let's proceed po sa ating special topic. Balanced skincare combines nourishment and protection. So, ito po ay article ni Dr. David Heber, our chairman, Herbalife Nutrition Institute. So makikita po natin dito sa iamherbalifenutrition.com. So sabi po ni Dr. David Heber, habang po tayo ay tumatanda, ay ganun din po yung ating skin. Yung nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga fine lines, yung mga wrinkles, di ba? Makikita nyo yung mga dark spots. Tapos naglo-lose na po yung, at saka nagiging dry na po yung skin natin. So ito po ay mga direct result ng pagtanda natin. And there are two primary types ng aging na dapat po bigyan natin ng pansin. So it's the chronological and environmental aging po. So pag sinabing chronological aging, it includes yung mga natural na mga bagay na mangyayari sa bawat isa sa atin as we age po. This includes collagen, fat loss, which may lead to expression lines. Yung mga expression lines po kasi, these are the cresters or kulubot na nagpo-form sa ating skin when we make different facial expression. So, when you're young, this line simply disappear. Once your face na bumalik po yung sa resting position. But over time, this expression line starts to become permanent. So, iwasan po natin yan. Kasi noon po ako medyo lagi po ako nakasimangot. So, mas madali po tayong magka-wrinkles pagka ganon. But over time, these expression lines to become permanent nga daw, leading to wrinkles, tapos naglulus ng skin, tapos yung hormonal influences that make cause skin to become drier. Kasi pag nag-age na din tayo, yung estrogen and testosterone level ay bumababa na din po. So yung gravity, which pulls everything downward, resulting in our skin para mag-lose po yung firmness. So parang nagsasag na po din, di ba? So, pag sinabi naman pong environmental aging, on the other hand, is directly linked po sa ating lifestyle. So, this is the result of our good and bad habits na ngayon ay reflected na sa appearance ng ating skin. So, nakadepende po ito sa diet, exercise, sun exposure, skincare routine, and numerous other factors plays a part. So, kung gusto po talaga nating maging maganda or madali yung pag-age natin, make sure na maganda po ang ating lifestyle talaga. So, ito naman po, ang pag-age nga, di na natin maiwasan. But ang good news kasi may mga bagay na pwede po nating gawin para ma-maintain yung healthy, clean, and attractive skin or ma-delay po yung pag-age talaga. So, how to maintain healthy, clean, and attractive skin? So, sabi dito, eat healthy diet including safe supplementation. So, ibig sabihin, eat a variety of food including fruits and vegetables, cut back on salt, eat moderate amounts of fats and oil. So, hindi po tayo maliligaw na dito kasi we have healthy breakfast na, di ba? And yung mga shakes natin. So, uh, loaded po ito ng nutrients. So, second, live a healthy, active lifestyle. So, yung seven pillars of good health na lagi po nating nadidinig. So, i-practice po natin yon, yung nutrition, water, exercise, rest, yung community, mental activity, spiritual. So, lagi nating naririnig yun. So, yung third po natin, protect the skin from sun exposure or radiation. So, kailangan po natin talaga pag tag-init, talagang may umbrella tayo, may cap, may sunblock, shades, and later po, elaborate po natin to. Then, practice a daily regimen. So, ibig sabihin po nito, consistently follow a set of routine of steps every day to care for your skin. So it's not just about using the products occasionally, but rather about building a regular habit of cleansing, treating, and protecting your skin. So sabi nga, parang ano daw to, parang nagtututbrush daw tayo kasi you do it every day to maintain our oral hygiene. A daily skincare regimen work similarly for your skin. So when it comes to looking youthful, what we put in our bodies and on our bodies, so kung ano yung pinapasok natin and yung nilalagay natin, no, body, are both important. So after all, healthiest looking skin is always the most beautiful. Di ba yung beautiful? And di ba yung ibang ano, kahit walang makeup sila, talagang nag-glow. Hindi na nila kailangang mag-makeup kasi maganda yung skin nila. And eto pa, Ah, yung sun kasi, it's a wonderful thing daw that na nai-enjoy natin, especially pag summer. So, or mainit, maraming activity na pwede natin gawin like mag-swimming, so magbi-beach tayo, magbababad sa tubig kahit kainitin. But unprotected sun exposure is the leading factor pala ng skin aging and skin cancer. Kaya kailangan nating protektahan ang ating mga sarili or skin. Even on a cloudy days daw, kasi as much as 80% of UV rays are able to go through clouds, so it reaches the Earth's surface. So, di pa din safe kasi kahit nasa loob tayo ng bahay. Na eto yung mali ko kasi before, talagang hindi ako naglalagay ng mga ganon kasi iniisip ko maputi naman ako. So, mas ano pala yun? Kasi yung mapuputi, mas lalo siyang nadadamage and mas mabilis magkaroon ng mga wrinkles. So, ayun. So, kailangan meron tayong mga pamprotekta talaga. So, the sun has two types of rays nga that can cause harm to the skin. Yung UV rays, UVA rays, which are responsible for premature aging, or these are the rays that age your skin. Yung UVB rays naman, which are responsible for sunburn or rays that burn your skin, yun naman yun. So, tandaan nyo, UVA for aging and UBB for burn. So madali lang. A, B, A is for aging and B for burn. But that's not all. Kasi itong same race daw na to can also cause cataracts, affect the immune system, and burn the skin. So everyone must be protected. And one measure na you can take to protect your skin from the sun damaging UVA and UVB rays is to never leave the house na hindi talaga maglalagay ng SPF or yung ating sun protection factor, yung skin na products, no? Skincare products. Ah, Dito natin kasi malalaman yung sa SPF kung gaano pwede magtagal yung tayo under the sun before yung skin natin mamula or mag-redden. And everybody is different. So, yung iba, merong mga 10 minutes nagre-red na yung skin nila. Yung iba naman, mas mabagal or mas mabilis. So, dito tayo magbe-base. Dito, pag-aralan natin kung paano, wait po. So, here's how SPF works, no? So, for easy math, madali lang po ito. So let's just say na your skin will start to redden when exposed to the sun in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes nagre-red yung skin mo. So you would simply take the 10 minutes and multiply it by SPF na in your product. So kunwari SPF 30 yung ginagamit mong skincare products, no? So SPF 30, so 30 times 10. So if you are using ayun nga, if you're using SPF 30 product, so 10 times 30, so 300 yon, 300 minutes. So take the 300 minutes and divide by 60 minutes. Kasi 1 hour yon, yung 60 minutes, 1 hour. So 300 divide 60 equals 5 hours standard sun protection. So, ibig sabihin yun, protected ka pag SPF 30 ang ginamit mo, protected ka ng gamit mong yan, pag lumabas ka, ng 5 hours. So, yun. So, kung SPF 30 and 10 minutes, itatry mo naman yun kung ilang minutes ka bago mag-red. So, eto naman, if you are under direct sunlight naman or extended periods of time, like at the beach, kailangan laging cautious or maingat tayo. If your product is not sweat or water resistant, kailangan mong mag-reapply, no? If you are swimming, exercising, or even drying your body off with a towel, you run the risk of compromising your SPF product and you will need to reapply. So, a good rule of thumb is to reapply about every 40 minutes daw. So, when indirect to sunlight. So, para mas safe lang talaga tayo. So, every 40 minutes, mag-reapply tayo, lalo na pag nagsiswimming and hindi water resistant yung mga gamit nating SPF. And of course, the proper amount of sunscreen for your body is approximately 1 ounce or 30 ml daw po, which is just enough to fill a shot glass. And if you will need a teaspoon, 5 grams naman po ng sunscreen para sa mukha natin. So, always apply your sunscreen product at least 50 to 20 minutes bago tayo lumabas or humarap sa araw. So if your skin is already red na daw from the sun, then the damage is already done. So kung halimbawa namula na agad ikaw, tsaka ka maglalagay. So damage na daw yung skin natin pag ganun. So wag po nating antayin magkaganon daw. So it's important to protect every exposed area of the skin, including yung ears, yung back of the neck, and yung bald spot. Kasi minsan akala natin hindi na po natin kailangan lagyan yun. Pero kailangan po daw nating make sure na malagyan din natin. So, kailan natin alagaan daw yung skin natin pag damage na ba? Siyempre hindi. So remember po, aging of facial skin starts in the 20s and 30s. So it is never too early to start caring of your skin. Everything you eat ends up in your skin, and what you put on your skin is absorbed. So to look your best as you age, nourish your skin from the outside and inside with balance, nutrition, and healthy, active lifestyle. So, syempre sa panahon ngayon po, hirap na tayong humanap ng mga pagkain na safe, na loaded po ng nutrients. But here in Herbalife, We have our healthy breakfast, yung mga shakes natin, and yung ating aloe tea and shake. And of course, yung mga best and safe na supplements na makakatulong para sa extra protection natin, para din gumanda yung ating health and ang ating skin. And of course, para gumanda pa ang ating skin, ito yung bago natin, di ba? Try this Aloe Body Care, all gentle moisturizing care. So we have hand and body wash, soothing gel, and hand and body cream. So clinically shown po ito na to increase skin hydration by 100% after just one use. So aloe also clinically shown to have smoother and softer. And of course, bakit tayo very confident, no? Kasi we are number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplement combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. And of course, yung seal of product quality ng Herbalife, no? Also recognized as super brand. Pag sinabing super brand, ayan, dinideliver talaga yung products natin ng Herbalife kung ano yung pinapromise nito, may good reputation ang Herbalife. So, say yes to good nutrition. Ayan, we're done po. Remember, when it comes to looking youthful, what we put in our bodies and on our bodies are both important. After all, healthiest looking skin is always the most beautiful. So, para lagi tayong maganda, no? So, ayan, we're done. Back to you, Coach